Who you are?
Okay, Janet Adams.
Hi, Janet. And you brought us in a gun
Yes.
a week or two ago. And can you tell us about it?
Oh, it was in terrible shape. It was
Okay.
an old gun, several years old, and it was like a family type thing, so I wanted it restored.
Okay.
And I'm hoping you could do that.
Okay.
I know it's
And
kind of iffy.
we knew it was going to be a challenge, right?
It was in horrible shape.
Yeah.
What?
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Doesn't even look like the same gun.
So, are you happy
It's
with
amazing. Yes.
that? Because it
Yes.
was pitted and rusted and
Yes.
bubbled up. It was really,
I wasn't even sure it could be
Okay.
fixed.
yeah.
It's wonderful. Yes. Thank you.
All right. Well, we're glad you're happy with it.
Thank you.
Thank you.